Hello guys, we're here to show you the weighted crunch. Alison here is a lightweight, which will help her to do the crunch with a little bit more friction. As you can see, I'm showing the legs here, which comes back to the front of her body. She has it straight when she comes down. Make sure it doesn't touch the ground. Pull your hands and arms all the way to the back, don't touch the floor, and keep the core steady. Once you are straight with your body, you will feel a strong tension in the core of the body. This is good, and make sure you keep going until you experience the burning feeling. Thank you.